Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most effortless way. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's it. No stress, just pure learning. Today's video will explore a very important and powerful topic in world politics. Why is the United States a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council? This question connects directly to how the world is governed and how major decisions affecting peace and war are made. To understand this, let's go back to the end of World War II. In 1945, after the world had experienced two devastating wars in less than 30 years, global leaders decided to create the United Nations to promote peace, cooperation, and security. Within the United Nations, they created a special body called the Security Council, which is responsible for maintaining international peace and security. The Security Council has 15 members, but only 5 of them are permanent members. These 5 countries are the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Russia, and China. These nations were chosen because they were the main allied powers that won World War II and were seen as the most powerful countries at the time. As a permanent member, the US has a very special privilege called the veto power. That means if the US disagrees with a decision or resolution, it can stop it completely, even if all other countries agree. This gives the US enormous influence over global affairs. Why is this so important? Because it allows the US to shape how the world responds to conflicts, sanctions, military interventions, and peacekeeping missions. Whether it's about nuclear weapons, climate change, or international conflicts, the US has a leading voice in the conversation. Of course, this power comes with responsibility. The US is expected to support peace, democracy, and international law. But not everyone agrees with how the veto power is used, and some countries believe the Security Council should be reformed to better reflect today's world. Still, the United States remains one of the most active and influential members of the United Nations. Its permanent seat on the Security Council is both a symbol of its global leadership and a tool for protecting its national interests. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That follow-up is essential to reinforce your English and your understanding of American culture. Give this video a like, share it with friends, and help us continue growing and creating even better content for you. See you in the next adventure.